Hi, today I'll show you how you can write the best out of best content with Perplexity. So let me share the whole concept. So I make this a whole prompt for you, so you don't need to go and just write. For example, can you create me a article article on how to use Perplexity, for example? Okay. For example, if we can go and write this article, uh, look at the article. Okay, so from the start to end, just check this article. Okay, this is a very thin article that right now Perplexity is giving me. Okay, I think they're giving me the answer right now. But let me check. I need a detailed article on this. Okay, so combining. Okay, so they are giving me right now the article, a complete article on this. Okay, just use of this thing. Okay, just go for. Just give me a minute so I can log in with the Perplexity. But I make this whole prompt based on what I have found in Perplexity in ChatGPT. I have also write an article on Grok. Sorry, make a video on the Grok. I'm giving link in the description. Just need to go to check also that thing, and making a whole playlist on how you can write the best out of best article that ranked in Google. Okay, so this is a very basic article. Look at this thing. This is not, but just for example, right now if I can go on this article, this is a very basic generic article and not a relevant article around a brand. Okay, this is a very generic article. But for example, if I can go, this is a whole prompt that I make for you. I will give in link in the description. Just need to go and copy this prompt. So the first thing that I can give is my domain. Okay, you need to make sure that you should give your domain, so the AI tool will know what is your domain name. This is important. The second thing is you should you make sure that you should give what is your website purpose. For example, let me share you. If you're doing, for example, if your website is e-com, your main purpose is not lead gen. Your main purpose is sales. So these are different between a local website, between an e-com website. So you need to make sure that you should give your website purpose. Okay. Then what can I do? I can give the niche. This is extremely important. Okay. This is extremely important. You need to make sure you should give your niche, and based on the niche you should add as much information as possible according to niche. For example, I add heavy civil construction, sewer, water, drainage, excavation, pavement, default audience, homeowner, business owner, utility owner, local government, and stuff like that. Oh, sorry, I just add this thing, default audience at the end. Okay, so make sure that you should add heavy civil construction, whatever your niche. Then our default audience is homeowners, 100% correct. Then business owners, utility owners, local governments, and other contractor developer in Nova Scotia. This is our main location. Make sure that you should give your location, and that's why Chat GPT and AI tool will mention your main location. Then you should go to company background. I added company background from. If you don't know about company background, just go and grab the company background from about us page. Then writing language, make sure that you should add voice, professional, authoritative, uh, expert, and customer focus. Act as who, this is important, industry expert. Always write this thing. This is important because if chat gpt or perplexity is not acting as professional, maybe they will add wrong information and stuff like that. Then writing style, information, content, and these are the important. And let me give this whole prompt to the perplexity so you can see how this thing work. Okay, right now just think about this article. Okay, then we will compare between those articles. Just give me a minute, and yes, here is the article. Okay, so look at this thing. I think we don't give the main keyword. Just give me a minute. Uh, oh yeah, we don't give the. Just give me a minute, so I can give the main keyword. Here is our main keyword. How to. Okay, just give me a minute. That's the way to build a road. Just give me a minute. So yeah. So okay. So here is the G or Galley. So look at this thing. In every single thing, they will mention your brand because this is also important for your sales process. Because if they are mentioning your brand, if 100 users are reading your blog post, make sure that whenever they read your brand name in future, if they need your services, they know about that. There's a company called Gier Caddy. So this is extremely important for your brand awareness. Look at this. Why Gier Caddy and excel in road building? And they will give you a complete um, table on that thing. Okay, this is also an important. So make sure look at this article and look at this article because this is relevant article, and the above one is very generic article. So this is a difference between a prompting a good prompt and a generic prompt. If you give a very generic prompt to anything, they will not give you write you up best article. Okay, so you need to make sure that you should for example, look at this thing. They are getting you your number, your information, your email and stuff like that. Okay, so this is a video on how you can make your how you can write an article that ranks with Perplexity.